ready to unlock the full potential of your Rumble account and take your video game to the next level. Let's jump straight into verifying your Rumble account. First, head over to Rumble.com and make sure you're logged in now. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select Account Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Alright, now we are on the Account Settings page. Scroll down until you find the Verification section. Here's where the magic happens. Now pay attention because this is important. Depending on your account status, you might see a Get Verified button. Hit that. Otherwise, there will be a short list of steps that you will need to follow. These typically involve confirming your email address and linking a payment method, such as PayPal or a bank account. Rumble will send you a few verification emails. Hit the links to verify each part. Verifying your email and payment method will unlock advanced features and remove restrictions. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, Rumble will start to verify your account. After everything has fully verified, a verification badge will appear on your profile, confirming your account's authenticity. Congratulations! You've successfully verified your Rumble account. Enjoy the increased visibility, increased upload limits, and enhanced credibility that come with it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Rumble tips and tricks, and leave a comment below.